So today I'm going to show you how to withdraw your money from eToro. So we're going to hop over here in the platform in real time so you can follow along. Now towards the very bottom, you're going to actually see a couple things that say how much you have available for you and your total equity. So just something to keep in mind. And what we're going to want to do is look for the withdrawal funds right over here on the left side of the screen, where I drew an arrow right over there for it so you can see. And we're going to click on withdrawal funds. Now there's some things you need to know. A minimum is $30 to be able to withdraw your money. So you can see here we have a total balance of $49.68, which if I wanted to, I can go ahead and click that total amount. And it says you are about to withdraw your entire cash equity. Note that your equity must contain full funds to allow investment. So just something to keep in mind. So what we're going to do then is go ahead and just put in whatever amount we want to go ahead and withdraw with and click on the continue button. And then from right over here, it's going to ask if you are sure that you want to withdraw that. Then you can go ahead and click on the continue button towards the very bottom. And right over here, it's going to just verify one last time if you want to. You're going to click on continue. And from here, it's going to ask you why you want to withdraw your funds. It is actually kind of required in the process to be able to do that. You can click on whichever reason you want and then hit continue here. And it's going to show the bank that you have already on file. So that way it can go back into your account. You can click on submit request, and then you're going to get to a confirmation page right over here. And then it also shows that it's going to take about 2 business days for the money to go back into your account. Now, I actually want you to click on this next video right over here to learn about BlockFi so you can actually get interest on your cryptocurrency. My name is Dennis, and I'll see you in that next video.